Welcome, class. Today we're going to continue our exploration of coordinate graphing. So last week we learned about this. This is a coordinate graph, and we learned about these terms here, these axes. That's what these lines are called. One of these axes is the x-axis. You see that letter X there? That tells us it's the x-axis. And the other axis here is the y-axis. And we're able to find our way around this coordinate graph by using these axes, the x-axis and the y-axis. You'll notice there are some numbers here on each axis, and those numbers are called coordinates. A coordinate is like a place. It helps us find our way. It's kind of like a map. We've learned about this in geography too. So when we are finding our way around a coordinate graph, we use these coordinates here to find our way around. The first coordinate is always the x coordinate. It's always the x axis. So this is telling us that we're going to start at a location that is 8 on the x-axis. So I'm going to count. So counting on the x-axis, I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and stop here. Okay, that's my first count. Next, I'm going to count on the y-axis. The y is always second. So I'm going to count up 2. So notice I'm starting at that 8 where I stopped here. I'm going to stop here, and then I'm going to start counting up 2. 1, 2. And that is my location. So again, notice how I kind of marked here that x-axis is green. That's counting this direction. And then y is counting up. See how the numbers here go up? And so what I have here is, if I kind of follow this over, I am at the number 2 there. So my answer, this is my starting location. So in today's work, we're given a location that we start at, and then we're going to move in a direction. So we're kind of given some directions to move around this coordinate graph to a new place. It says you move right 2 units. So if I'm starting here at 8, 2, and I move right 2 units, where am I going to be? 1, 2. I'm going to be over here at this new coordinate. So I'm going to mark the coordinate, my new coordinate here. And first I'm going to see what is my, so I'm going to just erase this so it's a little more clear. I'm at my new coordinate now. And first I'm going to say, what is my new x coordinate? So that again, that's this line along the bottom here. So you're actually going to go down here to look at that x-axis and see, what is the coordinate? What x-coordinate am I at? What coordinate do you see here? I see that I'm at the 10. The next question is, what y-coordinate am I at? That would be this coordinate here. And to find that, I need to go over to the y-axis. So what y-coordinate am I at? Well, I moved right, but I didn't move up or down, so I'm still at the 2 on my y-coordinate. So that's my answer. My answer is 10 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis, or 10, 2. You can go ahead and work and practice on this on IXL today, and do let us know if you have any questions. Have some fun with this work, and good luck.